Where you from? Where you from? Oh, hola, hola.
Hola, hola.
We them boys.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola. Oh, we say cigarette. What's your brand of cigarette?
Cigarette, cigarette.
Camel, tiglilima. You know how much this here?
How much?
5 peso.
Topic.
And this is good like Marlboro Red. How long you stay here? How long?
How long? Tomorrow we're going to Coron.
Coron, Palawan.
Coron, Palawan.
You like swimming, huh?
Yeah, we like surfing.
Surfing. Siargao, Siargao.
Yeah, then we're going then to Siargao.
Summer, that's surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao.
Yeah, that's the fucking best place in the world.
Yeah! Best place.
Best place in the world.
Yes. By the way, our service.
Justin.
Yeah, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini to Justin.
Yeah.
Justin's Lamborghini.
Yeah, natural air condition.
With air conditioning, it's perfect.
Yeah, all you gonna do sit and relax, okay?
Okay, just sit and relax.
Justin Bieber is your bodyguard, tour guide, and photographer.
Perfect, I love it.
Yeah. I love you too. Totoo.
Hi, Justin.
Yeah. You always smiling, huh?
Yes, always. You also
Yeah.
always smiling.
I like you, you like me. Okay.
Smart, Justin.
So, you look, one-handed, no problem. Lamborghini driver. So, you like swimming, huh?
Yeah, I like swimming. I like diving. I like
Diving.
surfing.
Diving with the shark, okay.
I want to do that. I hope we're gonna find them.
They have whale shark in Cebu.
In Cebu, yeah.
Yes.
In Cebu. And in Puerto Barton also told me.
Puerto?
Puerto Barton in Palawan.
They have in Puerto Princesa,
Puerto Princesa, Puerto Barton. Yeah.
Puerto
Have you been
Galera.
there? Where are you
Never
from?
been.
You're from here? From
Yes,
Manila?
yeah, from USA. United Squatters
Yeah,
area.
Like Justin Bieber, no?
Yeah. well, I'm the one.
Baby.
Baby, no.
Like baby.
So you first time here in Intramuros.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you choose the right place, the oldest city in Manila.
Thank you. Yeah. We saw it on internet.
So we gonna pick up your friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Just said all good in the hood.
All good in the hood.
Yeah, orale. Vamos.
Vamos, Justin.
What's your name?
Marta.
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 My name Martin.
Martin. Now
Yeah.
you change it. Yes, smart boy.
Marta Martin.
Marta and Martin.
Yeah.
In the Rayo McQueen.
Diba si Ganda? You know Ganda?
Ganda?
Beautiful.
Who's Ganda?
Ikaw, you, Ganda, beautiful.
Ganda is beautiful.
Yes.
In Philippines.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Ganda, you Ganda,
Ganda.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. Me handsome.
Handsome. You handsome and Ganda.
Pogi, handsome. Sabi pick upin pala namin yung kaibigan niya. Your friend is a girl?
Yeah, it's a girl.
So we are same age. How old are you?
Yes, 25.
25. Same, meant to be.
Same age as my friend.
Yeah, we are meant to be, same age.
We're meant to meet each other. Where is my friend?
Wait a minute, kaping mainit.
You know where we can have a breakfast?
Yes, I can bring you there for free.
It's perfect.
No problem, Justin
Good.
Bieber.
You're
Yeah.
a good brother.
Yeah, you're my sister.
Yeah. You know each other. Very good.
Yeah, you hold this. Yeah, hey. What a beautiful lady at my back, huh? More
Justin is
beautiful.
happy today.
Yeah, I'm more than happy than everything because I got you, a beautiful girl. Yeah, maganda, huh? Very maganda, huh?
Maganda is.
Yeah, okay, we pick up your friend.
Where is?
You call him now because we are now here.
Okay.
Pick upin namin yung kasama niya. Kakain sila. Ayun! You said we are at Ayuntamiento.
Ayuntamiento.
That one, Ayuntamiento.
Funny, huh?
Yeah. First Municipality of Americans, Ayuntamiento. So yun, habang nag-iossi sa kanina, nasabi niya pala sa akin na may kasama siya, kaya pupuntahan daw namin dito sa Plaza Roma or dito sa May Cathedral. Let's go.
Ayan, Mitch. Mira ka pala dito. Camina ka pala dito. Camina. Tutupin pa yun.
Hey, vamos, vamos. Laura, my name Laurel. Laura. Hola. Hola, ¿qué tal, Laura?
Laura came with the
Hey, Martina. Marta and Laura.
and Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. All good in the hood. Okay, you eat now for free. I can bring you.
And for this murga.
Filipino food in USA. United Squatters area. Yeah, you can enter there. Choose the foods that you want.
You are YouTuber?
Any recommendation?
Adobo, come on, I follow you.
Okay.
Dalawa. So yun, naka-budget nga pala yung pera nila kaya dilala ko sa budget meal area. That's called ihaw. Ay, gago. Yeah. This one chicken intestine.
Oh no.
Must try this oh. Chicken.
Yes, but this is too big. Vale. Nice.
Idol yata ako neto ni Laura kaya nagpa-picture.
Hola.
We are now at the desert with Laura,
Laura.
and
Marta.
Marta is taking his shoelace. This now, ma'am, this one called desert.
Yes.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, there's
Very,
no
very
people in here, only us.
hot. Only us. That's good.
Yeah. So, and your skin like the sun, huh?
Yes. My skin like the sun.
And you both like hot weather.
Yes, we like.
Good weather.
Because in Spain, what?
In Spain now it's not hot.
Snowy?
Yeah.
It means very cold.
Yes.
Here, it's coming to, rainy day.
Raining. When it starts raining?
Maybe next month.
Next month in Jan.
Yes.
Okay. Same in Thailand.
Because we are Asian.
Yes. Oh, that's weird.
That's maganda.
Maganda.
Yeah, both of you maganda, ha? Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber, the best one.
The best guy.
All good in
Yes.
the hood.
All good in the hood.
Orale! Hey, so because of your two most beautiful, you can taste one of the most delicious fruits, okay?
Okay.
In the Philippines. But it's natural, it's clean and healthy.
Okay.
That
what is
called
this?
kamyas.
Tamias.
Yeah. This is the kamyas.
This is Tamias?
Yes, kamyas tree. So bago kami kumain, huhugasan muna natin yan. Ang tubig. Hindi. Ano ako, plus. At habang naguhugas ako ng kamyas, shoutout nga pala kay Andrew Hudas. Siya nga pala yung nagturo sa akin magpatikim ng kamyas sa guest. Choose what you want.
You take a video of this.
Yes.
We need to.
Gusto na kayo? Yan.
We will try it together.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
But like that, or we need to open?
No, it's like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
Oy!
It's like so acid.
Acid?
So acid, but it's not bad. It's like an apple. Very
Yeah,
green
just like apple.
No te agrada. Es muy raro.
Cheers.
It's good, but
Fuck you. Use this to the ugly people, not to the pretty ones.
it's too acid.
So ma'am, what you experience in our tour?
So nice.
So nice, very good.
We
He's the
enjoyed.
best.
And
Yes.
he's a really good
We
guy.
learn a lot.
Yeah, we
That's
learned
so
a lot. And he's a good photographer also.
Yeah, too.
Such a good
Yeah,
photographer.
just said ma'am, all good.
All good.
Also
In the hood.
in the hood.
Yes, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
You're the best.
Okay, we're going now to drinking area.
Yeah.
Yo, nagaya pala yung guest natin uminom. Yeah!
It's okay.
San Miguel beer. Dito lang kayo? You only standing outside? Yeah. Model of San Miguel.